This is the original Genesis bow. The benefit with the original Genesis bow, it's 100% ready to be shot out of the box. The other benefit is it has an unlimited draw length, will fit virtually anybody. The adjustable draw weight will go from 10 to 20 pounds, which makes it very easy for anybody to draw the bow to their size and stature and be able to comfortably shoot and have fun with this bow. The Genesis bow may be designed for youth, but it comes standard with highly machined aluminum parts. The riser, the cam, and the idler wheel, the string and the cable are handmade here at Genesis and 100% hand assembled. All these components used add up to one very durable bow.
Goodell, your handy portable toilet cleaning robot. From Altan Robotech, Goodell safely and systematically cleans the hard-to-reach places in your toilet bowl, including the rim, using a pawing motion to scrape the entire surface. Under the rim, the bowl down to the exit. For a sparkling clean toilet, Goodell.
Meet Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again. Tile. Find what matters.
Meet the glider. If the outside of your window's dirty and you can't reach it, you can try to climb up a high ladder, or you can take a walk on the roof, or simply use the glider. The glider is a simple, perfect solution to clean the outside of windows when there's no easy access to them. The glider is equipped with a powerful magnet and comes in 3 models designed for window thickness from 4 to 28 millimeters. The uniqueness of the glider lies in its ability to spread the cleaning liquid from the part of the window that's nearest to you across the entire window. The glider washes the dirt off both sides of the window at the same time. The glider has 4 wipers layered in a perfect way to pull the liquid across the glass, leaving it clean, dry, and shining. The microfiber cloth can then be used to wipe off any remaining streaks on the window after the glider's operation. For safety, close your window on the white string or wear the security ring. The glider is part of a line of prestigious cleaning tools from Tyroler, a leader in the market for over 25 years.
Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes. And when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Do you dread having to sort and match piles of socks every time you do laundry? Take the hassle out of sock matching and pairing once and for all. Introducing SockSync from CreateSmart. SockSync combines all the tedious steps of sock matching into one quick and easy process. Just take a single sock and wrap it around a SockSync cup. Wrap the next sock on the next cup and repeat till you find a match. As each match is found, simply place it on the already attached sock. Then fold the pair upward towards the opening and push through, letting the pair fall into the basket. Before you know it, you have a basket full of perfectly folded socks, ready to be put away in a fraction of the time it usually takes. Nothing could be simpler. SockSync is ergonomically designed to fit into your laundry routine. It's lightweight, easy to use, and won't tear or catch your socks. SockSync from CreateSmart. Sock sorting has never been easier.